Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts standard 11 part 1. 6th chapter subsidiary books. The previous video few illustration I had done. Now this video I want to show you some of the exercise question solutions. According to your textbook, page number 152, the question number 5 as well as the question number 6, both I will do. I told you several times, once again I want to repeat. Subsidiary books chapter, you are having total 8 type of subsidiary books, but out of that first 4 subsidiary books which are called day book are explained in this chapter. Remaining 4 books you will have the separate chapter, there you will go in details. Now one by one books, that is purchase books, sales books, purchase return books, sales return books, individual one sum per one book we want to show. After that you will get that one question where you have to do all 4 type of day books. Well, same questions you will get some of the transactions which will come in book number 1, some of the transactions which will come in book number 2 as well as 3 and 4. Like that common question for all 4 books you have to maintain together. Practical exams when it will come, that time you will find out like this question will come. So let us see first the 5th one. Already I told previous illustration the 4th question number 4th of page number 151 and question number 5 of page number 152. From the following transaction 5 I am telling you, from the following transactions of Sri Garda Electronic Stores, prepare the column or purchase books of Garda Electronics deals with the TV, refrigerator and washing machines. 2015 May 1. Garda Electronics every one of you know, because everyone is watching Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. Their Garda Electronics services are there. Anyhow, this is the column or purchase day book, means there are the 3 things are given: the TV, fridge, refrigerator and washing machines. So how many columns you have to open? Amount column you have to open the 4 amount column, one for TV, one for refrigerator and one for washing machines and one for all 3. I already told you there are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 transactions are given, and you have to take that one which is purchase goods on credit. If it is a purchase goods on credit, then only it will come. Apart from, if it is not a purchase transactions, then it will not come. If it is a purchase assets on credit, that also will not come. If you are buying goods for cash, also will not come, and non-economic transactions also will not come. And if it is partly paid, then full amount should be considered as a credit transactions. Now you see the 2015 May 1st, purchase 10 TV set at rupees 30,000 each set. 30,000 into 10 is equal to 3 lakh. 5 refrigerator of rupees 15,000 per pieces and 2 washing machines of rupees 18,000 per pieces from the Daya Electronic Stores, credit period 1 month, invoice number 100. After reading this thing, you will take decision whether it will come or not. Obviously it will come, because it is a purchase goods on credit, and in this shop the goods is the only TV, refrigerator and washing machines. I made it the solutions that I want to show it so that you can understand how we have done it. This is the solutions, page number 152, question number 5 in the books of Garda Electronics, column or purchase books. Date, name of the suppliers, invoice number, LF, amount for TV, amount for refrigerator, amount for washing machines and total amount. Now the 2015 May 1st Daya Electronics accounts. In this Daya Electronics accounts, the invoice invoice number 100, the TV, it is 3 lakh, refrigerator, it is 75,000, and washing machine, it is 30,000. How it is coming? This one, because it is given 30,000 into 10 is equal to 3 lakh, 15,000 into 5 is equal to 75,000, and 18,000 into 2 is equal to 36,000. And if you add these three, you will get 4,11,000. That's over. Now, after 1 is 7. Purchase from Sri Tarak Electronic Stores. Tarak Electronic Stores का पास किया purchase किया. Purchase from the Tarak Electronic Stores the 5 pieces TV of rupees 25,000 per piece and 10 refrigerator of rupees 16,000 per pieces at 10% trade discount. Received an invoice number 151. Half of the amount is paid immediately. Half of the amount is paid immediately. You should not consider, because full amount you have to consider as a credit transactions. 5 pieces of 25,000. 5 into 25 is equal to 1,25,000. 1,25,000, 10% which is coming 12,500. So 1,25,000 minus 12,500 is equal to 1,12,500. See it here. The Tarak Electronic Stores 151, 1,12,500. How it is coming, you understand. Similarly, for the refrigerator, it is coming 10 into 16 is equal to 1,60,000. 1,60,000, 10% is equal to 16,000. So 1,60,000 minus 16,000 is equal to 1,44,000. And there is no TV and refrigerator is coming. No washing machine is there. So washing machine is dash. And if you add these two, you will get 2,56,500. That is the final amount you wrote in the final column. Next is 12. Purchase a cycle. But if I read up to this, then no need to read the remaining, because we are not going to record the assets transactions. This is a cycle we have purchased of rupees 5,000 from Sri Ambe Cycle Stores. No need to write. That will come where? That will come in the note. Note में आएगा following dates transactions are not recorded in purchase book. May 12. Assets purchased on credit will be recorded in journal proper. Or you can write it will not come here. Next is coming number 20. The purchase 5 refrigerator at 20,000 per pieces, 10 washing machines of rupees 15,000 per pieces at 10% TD and 5% cash discount from the Sri Atmaram Electronic Stores and amount paid immediately. तो आत्माराम का पास उसने जो पेमेंट परचेस किया था, लेकिन उसका फुल अमाउंट पेमेंट हो गया. It is given the amount paid immediately. When amount paid immediately, it becomes considered as a cash transaction. And if it is a cash transaction, it will not be recorded here. It is given it here. The May 20 cash purchase will be recorded in cash books. Or you can write it here. The cash transaction will not be recorded in the purchase column. Now 25. Place an order. If I read up to this, I can take decisions. I can take decision that this will not be recorded, because it is an order we have passed to the SMT Babita for supplying 20 pieces of TV at 28,000 per piece, 6 pieces of washing machines at rupees 21,000 per piece. Place an order पढ़ो तो वहीं तक, बाकी नहीं पढ़ो तो भी चलेगा, because it is non-economic transactions. So here you have to write it here that 25th is the non-economic transactions, so it will not be recorded here. And non-economic, it is not a transactions at all. 31st, from Sri Gokuldham Electronic Stores, purchase 5 pieces of TV sets at rupees 30,000 per pieces, 5 washing machines at rupees 23,000 per pieces, trade discount 10%, invoice number 123. It will be recorded because it is credit purchase of goods transactions. This is where it is the Gokuldham Electronic Stores. Gokuldham Electronic Stores 123. What you have purchased? 5 pieces of TV of rupees 30,000. 5 pieces of TV of rupees 30,000, which total amount comes 1,50,000 minus 15,000. 10% is TD. 10% TD it is given. So 1,35,000. There is no refrigerator, and if you calculate like that washing machine, it will come 1,03,000. 23,000 into 5 whatever the amount is coming, you deduct 10%, that will come 1,03,500. Bas, so you are getting total 6 transactions. Out of the 3 are coming in purchase day book or column or purchase books, and remaining 3 it is coming in the note. It is compulsory, you have to write the note only. If you are not writing note, then marks will be deducted. And at last you will add these 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 amount column. This TV will be added here, refrigerator will be added here, washing machines will be added here, and amount of total is coming. This is automatically the total of this plus this would be this is the total credit purchase of goods transactions, 9,06,000. Very easy, nothing is given. Only this chapter is only have to keep remember few points. Remaining everything it is very easy only. Like that, one more sum, that is question number 6 of page number same page of page number 152. Here GST also is there. Like that sum, I want to explain it here, that you follow it. Now it is Abhishek Stores of Rajkot. Question number 6. 6 you follow. The Abhishek Stores of Rajkot is iron merchant. Iron purchase and sales कर रहा है. Prepare the purchase book in the books of accounts in his books of accounts with column of expense. How will understand? Here expense word will be mentioned. There expense word is not mentioned. Column with amount with columns of expense. He maintain the separate columns for the expense like the GST, goods and services taxes, railway freight, labor, prepare purchase books by applying total 12% GST rate, and GST is not included in the following transactions. Add applicable amount of the GST and prepare the purchase book. GST amount is how much? 12%. When GST is 12% is given, that time you will find out the central will take 6% and state will take 6%. And IGST always it will be calculated on 12%. Now in this sum you have to keep it in mind that from whom you are buying. You are the Abhishek from Rajkot, and if you are buying or doing the transactions within the state, Gujarat, then the 2 GST will come, that I already told several times, central and state 6%, 6%. After adding this all, goods plus railway freight plus labor charge, and if it is IGST it will calculate at 12%. That is there, outside the Gujarat hoga to. And that remaining formula are same. 2018 April 1st, goods purchase of rupees 50,000, 10% TD from the Shahrukh stores, Shahrukh stores, labor of 2,000 and railway freight of 5,000 are disclosed the invoice number 51. So this is coming because this is a credit purchase of goods transactions. 50,000, 10% is coming 45,000. The 10% is 5,000. The goods cost is 45,000. Railway freight 2,000 and labor charge is equal to how much? The labor is 2,000 and railway freight is 5,000. Actually it is coming 45 plus 5, 50 plus 2, 52,000 is coming. Is not it? Now it come it here. Here I am to show it here. This is page number 152 of question number 6. Made column purchase books of Abhishek Stores. This is date, name of the suppliers. Name of the suppliers you can write the particulars columns. You can write particulars also. IIN, invoice number. LF, this is amount. How many amount column you have to open? At last one amount column, that is the total amount column. Apart from that, you have to open first one is the net amount of the goods, cost of the goods, one amount column. Railway freight, one amount column. Wages, one amount column. Intra, for that 2 amount columns. One is the central, another is the state, and inter, that IGST, you will get 1 amount column. So for GST you will get 3 amount column, state, central and only central, that is IGST. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 amount column we have to open. Now Abhishek Stores 51, cost of the goods is equal to 45,000, railway freight is equal to 5,000, wages is 2,000. Now you are getting that amount is 52,000. 52,000 6% is coming 3120. So 52,000 6% is coming 3120, and if you add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, then you will get 58,240. Nothing is there, very simple matter is there. Only you have to keep in mind that whether it is within the state or outside the state. Next is coming number 5. What is 5? The goods purchase of rupees 30,000 at 5% trade discount from Deepika. Total amount paid immediately. Invoice the labor number 500 and railway freight. Total amount is paid immediately. If total amount is paid immediately, it will not coming because it is not a credit transaction. Here note it will come. Following transactions are not recorded in the purchase book because April 5 is the cash transactions. Only you will write April 5 is the cash transaction, that is enough. No need to write, it will go to the cash book. If you write, it is not wrong. So 5 is over. Now 20. Goods purchase of rupees 40,000 at 10% TD from Amitabh of Mumbai Maharashtra. Mumbai Maharashtra हो गया तो Central and State GST will not come, IGST will come. Bill number 251. Receive the inclusive labor of rupees 1,000 and railway freight of rupees 2,500. So it will be recorded. Obviously, it will be recorded. See Amitabh account 251. 40,000 का 10% is equal to 4,000, which comes 40,000 minus 4,000 is equal to 36,000, and 2,500 is the railway freight, and wages is the 1,000. So if you add, you will get 36, 37, 38, 39, 39,500 का ऊपर 12% आएगा. Central and state will not come. 12% IGST, which comes 4740. And if you add 1, 2, 3, 4, मतलब 36,000 plus 2,500 plus 1,000 plus 4,740, you will get 44,240. That is your total amount. Next, we are coming the number 25. A machine of rupees 35,000 is purchased from the Puja on credit for 1 month. The transportation's labor of rupees 2,000 is paid in cash. This is a machine. Once you are getting the machine, so it is a asset. It is an asset. As it is an asset, so it will not be recorded here. So it will come in the note. Note you write the assets purchase assets also will not be recorded here. That note we have to write it here. Correct? 25th date. Okay. Next, after 25th is coming 30. The goods purchase of rupees 25,000 at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount from Anushka of Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Chennai is Tamil Nadu. Invoice number 44 is received, inclusive the railway freight of rupees 500. So that also will come because it is a credit purchase of goods transactions. As it is a credit purchase of goods transaction, how much goods you have purchased? 25,000 at 5% trade discount. तो 25,000 का सॉरी ट्रेड डिस्काउंट कितना 10%. 25,000 का 10% इज कमिंग 2,500. तो 25,000 minus 2,500 is equal to 22,500, and railway freight is 500. Cash discount will not be calculated here. Keep it in mind. Cash discount will be calculated only for the cash transaction. So it is coming 23,000. 23,000 Tamil Nadu है, इसलिए out of the Gujarat 12% 2750. If you calculate 12% of 23,000, you will get 2760, and total amount is coming 25,760. And if you add these three amounts, you will get 1,28,240. If you add these sides, net amount of the goods 1,03,500, railway freight 8,000, wages 3,000, central GST 3,120, state GST 3,120, IGST 7,500. Now this 1,28,240, if you add this side also, you will get total 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. This 6 column if you add, then also you will get total, and these 3 columns if you add, then also you will get total. And you have to put a straight line, then you have to write the amount, then you have to put a double line, and the note you have to write. Once again I am telling you, if you are not writing note, the marks will be deducted. Now from your textbook, like that purchase day book I completed, sales day book same like that purchase book day book. I will not go in details that much. Simple sales day book, already you know what is the difference between the purchase books and sales books, that I want to show it here. Just simple purchase day book you have learned. This is the format for the sales day book. This is the simple sales day book format. Date, there you got name of the customers, name of the suppliers. Here you will get name of the customers. Even if you write particulars, then also it is correct. Only this column number 3, name will be changing. There इनवर्ड इनवॉइस नंबर IIN था, या आउटवर्ड इनवॉइस नंबर होगा. Once again you keep in mind, the book number 1, the third column is inward invoice number. Book number 2, third column is outward invoice number. Book number 3, third column is debit note, and book number 4, the third column is credit note. Remaining amount columns are same, or remaining all the columns are same. Here name of the suppliers, name of the customers. In place of that you can write only particulars for common for all. So third column name will be changed. First inward invoice number, second sales day book, outward invoice number, third debit note, purchase return books, and fourth sales return books is credit note. Remaining all are same. Okay. Now come to the page number 134 of illustration 4. It is coming sales day book. What we are going to write? Sales day book. Now in sales day book, simple, there we purchase goods on credit transactions we recorded. Here sold goods on credit transactions we will write, nothing else. Once again I want to repeat, the book number 1 we recorded purchase goods on credit, and book number 2 we will write sold goods on credit. Baki all are same. So Jagdish Hardware Stores dealing with iron from the following transactions prepare its sales books. 2015 June 1. Sold goods of rupees 13,000 to Manan at 3 months credit and send the bill number 1967. Will come? Yes, it is a credit sales of the goods. So 13,000 लिखना है और bill number 1967. See it here. Sales books June Manan 1967 13,000. LF column no need to write. Nothing is given. आपको यहाँ से पढ़ के डिसीजन लेना है whether it will come or not. बस कौन सा आएगा कौन सा नहीं आएगा that you know. Sold goods of rupees 8,000 at 5% trade discount to Anand stores, labor of rupees 300, bill number 1970. The how 8,000 का 5%, 8,000 का 5% is equal to 400. So goods cost is coming 7,600. The labor charge will not be added. See Anand stores 1970, 7,600. 300 will not be recorded. Sold goods of 5,000 will not come, cash transactions. Correct? Sold a machine will not come, assets transactions. 25. Sold goods of rupees 9,000 at 10% trade discount to Austin. Austin paid 50% of the amount immediately. Will come because partly paid. So 9,000 का 10% is equal to 900. That means 8,100. Austin stores 8,100. 25th Austin stores 8,100. Outward invoice number is not given, so no need to write. Next is coming sold goods of 11,000 to Roshan at 10% cash discount by cash. It is given by cash, मतलब it become a cash transactions. So note में आ जाएगा. ये सब note है. It will be not recorded because it will cash transactions. Mohit place an order, non-economic transactions will not come. Sold goods of rupees 30,000 at 10% trade discount to Khushbu and with a condition that she will be given 5% cash discount if she pays the amount of the bill within 30 days. The bill number 1995 sent to खुशबू. कंडीशन इज देयर 30 डेज का अंदर पेमेंट देगा. तो अभी जो 30 तारीख को ट्रांजेक्शन हुआ उसको तो रिकॉर्ड कर दो बराबर. तो 30,000 का 10% इज कमिंग 3,000. सो इट इज कमिंग 27,000. खुशबू स्टोर्स 27,000 बराबर. And if you add, you will get 55,700. And this is your note. Nothing else is given. I told you several times. Like that, the illustration number 5, you will do in place of 1, nothing is given. Here 1 item, here 3 items are there. Mobile, cordless and simple. Just a 1 minute I want to explain it here. And previous videos you might have seen that in place of purchase day book where 3 items are there, here also sales day book 3 are there: mobile, cordless phone and simple phone. So mobile amount you will write in mobile column, cordless phone you will write in cordless column, and simple phone you will write in simple column, and remaining the things whatever it is there, it is as it is. And if you add this on, you will get the total of this, and if you add this, you will get total of this. Only you have to take the decision whether that it is a cash transaction नहीं है, or if it is a asset transaction, then like this, a machine, so it will not come. That you immediately keep in mind. Whatever. Okay. Now we are going to the next one, the page number 137, the 6th illustration. Now 6th illustration, how it will be? Shall I read? Okay. Let me explain it, the 6th illustration, so that you can understand. Here, same thing, just now, net amount of the goods, railway freight, labor, central GST, state GST, integrated GST. If GST 2 are coming here, then here it will not come. If it is coming here, then here it will not come. देखो, sales day book. How you will understand whether you will open this column or sales book or whether you will open the expense sales book, that will be given in this question. See, from the following transactions of Bhavna Telecom prepare the column or sales books of Bhavna Traders sells mobile, cordless and simple telephone. Here it is given the how many things it is dealing and name of the goods it is given. How many are there? 3 are there. One is the mobile, and this is the cordless phone, and this is a simple phone. And from here how we will understand? Here it is given from the following transaction prepare a sales books inclusive the expense. The word will be mentioned inclusive the expense in the books of the Sardar stores of Surat. Okay, Sardar stores keeps the record of GST, railway freight, labor. Prepare the sales book on the basis of the GST at 12% and GST is not included in the following transactions. Add applicable number of GST and prepare the sales books. Already just now we have completed like this sum from that purchase day book, the question number 5 as well as the question number 6, I think so, question number 6. Here also same thing, we will open this one, the date, name of the customers or particulars, outward invoice number, sales book होगा तो outward invoice number, LF, cost of the goods, railway freight, labor, GST central, GST state, GST IGST and total amount. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 amount column you have to open. And how many transactions you are getting? This is 336. Out of the 6, the 4 are coming, 2 are not coming. Let us see which are coming, which are not coming. Number 1, the goods sold of rupees 30,000 at 10% discount to Pankaj. Railway freight 1,000, wages 300 and invoice 1, 2, 3. It will come 30,000 का 10% is equal to 27,000. मतलब 3,000. 3,000 minus करो तो 27,000. 27 plus 1, 28 plus 28,300. It's coming total. See, it is here Pankaj 1, 2, 3, 27,000, 1,300. So it is coming 28,300. 6%. टोटल 12% है तो इसका 6% आएगा 1698 टोटल इज कमिंग 31,696. Very easy. Next, goods sold 50,000 at 10% trade discount on cash. On cash हो गया तो will not take. It will be recorded where? It will be recorded in cash transaction. So we will not going to write. Note में आ जाएगा. Now 14. Sold goods of rupees 20,000 at 5% trade discount on credit on 3 months to Joyce Bhai of Jaipur, Rajasthan. On behalf of Joyce Bhai, paid the labor fee 250 and railway freight 400. Invoice number 130 sent by adding the labor and railway freight. Goods cost was how much? Cost of goods which is there 20,000 ka 5%. 20,000 5% is coming 1,000. So 19,000. See, Joyce Bhai is coming here 19,000. And railway freight that is 400 और लेबर 250 तो 19,650 दिस 3 19,650 के ऊपर 12% यहाँ आ जाएगा. क्यों? वो राजस्थान जयपुर का है इसलिए ये हट गया. करेक्ट. ये ओल्ड मशीन विल नॉट कम. नोट में आ जाएगा. करेक्ट. नंबर 25 में सोल्ड ऑफ रुपीज 10,000 ट्रेड डिस्काउंट एट 5% ऑन क्रेडिट ऑफ 3 मंथ पर बाई ऑफ रेलवे फ्रेट 800. यहाँ से पहले डिडक्ट कर दो. 5% आता है कितना? 500 मतलब 9,500. 9,500 प्लस 800 तो 10,300. 10,300 के ऊपर 6% हो गया. और कुछ है? कुछ नहीं है. एंड सोल्ड गुड्स ऑफ रुपीज 40,000 एट 10% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट ऑन क्रेडिट फॉर 1 मंथ फॉर गौरांग रेलवे फ्रेट. यहाँ भी कितना डिडक्ट होगा? 4,000 मतलब 4,000 होगा तो 36,000 36,000. बाकी ये अमाउंट तो फिक्स्ड है. हाँ. और दिस इज 140 इज द इनवॉइस नंबर. तो 37,500 के ऊपर 6%. क्यों? ये किसका पास किसको गौरांग किधर का है? इट इज़ नॉट मेंशन. एज इट इज़ नॉट मेंशन सो इट शुड कंसिडर विद इन द स्टेट. इफ आउटसाइड द स्टेट होगा तो इट विल बी मेंशन. इफ इट इज़ नॉट मेंशन यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड इट इज विद इन द स्टेट. Do you understand or not? Is it clear to you? Like that, how I have done the 5th and 6th question number. Question number 5th and 6th. Like that, you will get the page number 152. The 7th one is simple sales day book का sum. वो देख लेना है. 8th number question. The 3 items will be there. I think so. Yes. कॉटन खादी एंड सिल्क कॉलम कॉटन खादी एंड सिल्क. तो 3-4 अमाउंट कॉलम ओपन करना है. एक कॉटन के लिए, एक खादी के लिए और एक सिल्क के लिए. और बाद में टोटल एक कॉटन खादी एंड सिल्क. कैसे है? जस्ट नाउ आई हैव डन इट हेयर. विच वन आई हैव डन जस्ट नाउ? या दिस इज आई थिंक सो. यस. The mobile, cordless and simple. I have done it like that. The question number 8 also same thing. And question number 9, it is just like that. Illustration number 6. Yeah, just now what we have done. The illustration number 6 is question number 9. How many columns you have to open? 7 columns you have to open. What is this? Cost of the goods 1. Then railway freight 2. Labor 3. Central GST 4, state GST 5, integrated 6 and total amount column. Just now I have done it here like that. The 6th one I have done. No, 6th one is page number. Yeah, it is here like that. Cost of the goods, railway freight, labor, central, state, IGST and total. So 7th simple is 8, 9, 7th, 8, 9 you will do. And the next next video, one sum from illustration and one sum from exercise together I want to do, where whatever you have learned till now, the purchase books and sales books, as well as the purchase return books and sales return books, I did not tell you. There I will tell you that without doing the book number 1, book number 3 is not possible. If you did not buy, you cannot return it. So now we will get a sum only purchase written books and only sales written books will not come. So maybe it coming only purchase book or only sales book, ऐसा आ सकता है. और एग्जाम आएगा all book 4 books together. So next video I want to show you all 4 books together. Hope you are understanding. Even though if you do not understand, you can tell me at any time. Several times I told you, you will not keep your doubt in your mind. Try to clear your doubt, whatever the doubt is coming. And all the best. Bye.